Welcome to a Google site tutorial. You'll notice that I'm on the student homepage. If you select Google Apps and sign into Google Apps if you already haven't done so, up at the top menu bar you're going to notice a spot called Sites. This is where we can go and make a website. So I'll select Sites. If you haven't already created a site, the button over here called Create is where you could actually create a website. If not, you're going to want to browse the different websites that you have available and select the one that you want to continue to work on or edit. And in this case, I'm going to work on Room 234 Animal Research. So I'll select it. This is the home page, so you can see this is the objective of your project. You're working for the World Wildlife Federation and you're going to be creating a web page about your particular animal. So this is just a picture that was put on the site, and also these are directions for the project. So I'll click on that real quick just to open it up. You can see up top, this is where it says you're working for the World Wildlife Federation. Your job, you have to have an introductory paragraph. You need to include your research table, pictures, links to websites, videos, and a bibliography. Just a bibliography to give credit to where you found information. Also down below you'll notice that these are when you're done with editing your web page and finishing your research table. These are extensions, projects that you can work on when you think you are all finished. So I will go ahead and click the back button to get back. Now in order to edit the page that you want to work on, for example if I was working on the giraffe, I would click giraffe, and right now it's a blank page. There's nothing on there, so I have to actually add content. So if I click the edit button, edit page, you can see it's loading the editor, and now this is where I can actually add text. So I said this is where I can add my introductory paragraph about giraffes. Up to the top you'll see that I can insert tables, I can worry about the layout, I could add columns if I wanted to. The formatting, but I want to work and focus today on inserting different things into my web page. So if I click insert, the first thing that I want to insert after I've typed my introductory paragraph is I want to insert my research table that we created in Google Documents. So I'll click on document and I want to actually insert my animal research table. So I'll select it, press select. I don't want to include the title. If I wanted to, I can make the height smaller. I don't want to change it too much, and I'll just press save. And you can see, there it is. Now, right now we won't be able to read it, but if I go into the upper right-hand corner and press save, right now you can see here's my introductory paragraph, and here is actually where you'll be able to see all the research that you type. Now I want to continue to edit this page, so I'll go back up, press edit. Click to the right of the table that I just inserted, press return. So now the next thing I want to do is actually insert a picture of a giraffe. So I already opened a new tab and did a search under images for giraffes. And I really think this picture is neat, so I'll click on it. I'm going to select view original image, and I'm going to come up to the top, click in the highlight the URL, copy it, Command C, come back to my page, go up and press insert. I'm going to be inserting an image. So if I saved that image to a file on my computer such as the desktop, downloads, or picture folder or file, I could select it from there, but I chose a web address, so I'm just going to insert my URL. There it is. I'm going to press OK. And right now you can see this picture is very large. So I have a few different choices: large, medium, small. If I select S, it makes it smaller. M for medium. That looks about the right size. I could even align it to the center of the page, to the right of the page, to the left of the page. It's up to you. If you want to get rid of it, you can press the X button. If not, just click off of it. I'll press the return button. Now maybe I want to add a hyperlink. So let's say I was researching about giraffes and I wanted to do the National Geographic. So this page is all about giraffes from National Geographic, so I can highlight this URL, come back to my page, put click here to learn more about giraffes. Fix my spelling mistake. Highlight that sentence. Go up to insert. This time I have a link I'm going to insert. So rather than having one ugly URL, I'm going to link and press OK. And now I just made this a hyperlink below. So when I click on it, it will actually take me there. Another thing I want to show us real quick, if I go to YouTube, which I could also do from the Fairview Park homepage, if I go to Google Apps, go up to More, YouTube, I want to find a video on giraffes. If I want to be more specific, maybe I could put giraffes eating. See what this video is like about giraffes eating leaves. I'll click on it. I want to make sure it's appropriate, so I would watch it, but in this case I just wanted to show you how to actually do it. You can see in 4 seconds you'll be able to skip this advertisement, so after 4 seconds just wait. Now you can skip the ad and actually start watching. But I'm going to come down where it says share, and then I want to grab this URL. So now I can come insert, video, it's a YouTube video, so I'm going to paste the URL. I'm not going to include the title for this one. Press save, and there's the video. Now to see this again, make sure you select the save button. Now you can see what your page is actually going to look like. You have an introductory paragraph up at the top. You have your research table. You have your picture. You have a hyperlink. And you actually have a YouTube video. So let me just show you the hyperlink. If I click on it, it will actually take me to that website. Once again, if you want to edit your page some more, you can come back, press Edit Page, and you can continue to edit your page. So let's say you wanted to change the layout, and rather than one column, maybe you want 2 columns. If you press 2 columns, you can see now I actually have 2 columns. I can have one on this side, one on this side. So now I actually have my research table on the left, and on my right I have a picture.